What's up, everyone? This is Orange Wolf 7091AJ, and welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. And I wasn't planning on making a third video, but I was like, you know what? Let's just make a video with my good friend Lovely Blue. So I was just like, you know what? Fine. But this game I think is called Treasure Island. What is this called? I can't remember what this game is called. Hold on, I'll be right back. It's called Treasure Hunt Simulator. So, yeah, another one of those click, 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 clicking games. See, look. Just literally hold the mouse and you just, like, click it. Literally, you just hold the mouse. Click. Click. There. It's actually kind of boring. Literally, it's actually kind of boring. So, let's just jump right into it. And yeah, we've dug a pretty big hole, actually, so. This is actually kind of boring. Literally just sitting here, holding my mouse to dig sand. Oh, backpack's full. Ugh. But who cares? I'm just gonna continue to dig. There. Let's go to sell. There. We have to sell once in a while. Ah! Yeah, yeet. Oh, there was a treasure chest up there. What the? Treasure chest. Oh, she's gonna get it first. No, I got it. Yes, I got it. Ha ha ha. Oh, yep, it's full. Treasure chest? No, she's gonna get it first. No! No, fine. I'm gonna sell. I have to sell every single, like, minute, literally. What? Oh, she went back up. Okay. I was like, what? Where'd she go? I have 999 coins. Wow. Depth, 138 blocks. That's pretty big, but I think that we could do bigger. Obviously we can, so, yeah. What the heck is that? What the? Is that like some mega, like, thingy you got there? Lovely Blue, like, some mega shovel, something like that. I don't know. Depth, 0. Oh, okay, so if I, like, so if I jump in, will it, yeah, then will count. Oh, that's pretty cool. Treasure chest, that's mine. No! She's too quick! She, Lovely Blue, you're too quick. What? She just got that, like, wait, did she what? It took her like 2 seconds to get it. She's that quick. What? Mine. No. Mine. Mine. Yes. Yes, mine. Thank you. This is actually boring. Okay, gotta go sell. Me too, Lovely Blue. I have to sell too. let's go upgrade, because I don't, backpack size, it's 300, what's this one, 900, Jesus Christ, purchase, yes, 154, okay, good, so I can, go to shovels, you know what, fine, I'll purchase that, because I need a bigger shovel. Ugh, I don't know how people find this game addicting. It's just really boring. It's another one of those clicky simulator games. But I just followed Lovely Blue into this game, so... See already, my backpack's full. Yay. Treasure chest. Oh no, not mine anymore. Yay. Oh. Hi, Lovely Blue. Damn, you go by so quick. What the heck? Did we just reach the map? Oh wait, no. 430. Wait a minute. What? 400? No way. You gotta be kidding. I gotta go back up. You gotta be for real, right? 400. What? Whoa, we're already at like 100. Wow. Rejoining the dig site. What? Are you gotta be kidding me? No! Miner did not just spend 20 minutes doing that just to get... What the heck? I did not just spend 20 minutes digging that site for it to just rebuild? Oh my god! Oh. 20 minutes! 20 minutes! No, you're missing the treasure chest! What are you doing? Man, you're doing it so quick. Treasure. Mine. Ha ha! Mine. No! Stop it, please! I want the treasure chest. Stop it. No! Lovely Blue, you're going too fast. Stop it! Mine. My treasure chest. Gotta go back up and sell 200 coins. Ugh. What the? Where'd she go? Oh, she's all the way down there? What the? Where'd she go? Oh, she probably went back up to Yeah. What? Can you go, like, in this water? Oh, no, you can't. What the? Oh my god, you're making another hole? Dude, there's more, there's still, oh my god. There's stuff over here. Like, why are you making another hole? Oh, there was a treasure chest right there. I need that treasure chest. Give me that treasure chest. Thank you for the tea much. Thank you. But this is actually kind of boring, just digging, holding your mouse, digging this to get money and stuff like that. Yeah, this is really boring. I don't know why I decided to do this. Upgrade. Go to shovels. 2,100. Oh my, you gotta be serious, right? Okay, how about backpacks? 900. 3,000. Yep, okay. Getting this one though. That leaves me with 700. Bro. Oh, yes! Yes, I found a rare treasure chest! Yes! Oh, is there another one? There's another one! Yes, I found 2 rare treasure chests! Yes! Yes! Alrighty guys, that will be the end of today's video. Or this episode, or edition of this video, which was really boring. But, yeah. Ooh, give, oh, yeah, she got that, never mind, okay. But, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I would like to thank Lovely Blue for for bringing me to this game to play with her today. But I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.